Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Sorry if I sound a little bit sick. I have a little bit of a cold. I don't have COVID, but yeah, I have such a runny nose, and yeah, I still wanted to film this video for you guys for Vlogmas. I really wanted to post this ASAP so that I can make your Christmas shopping a lot easier. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you're liking my channel so far, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos for Vlogmas and even after Vlogmas. Even though I sound a little bit sick, this video is a good one. This video is so exciting because I'm going to be comparing the new Revlon Plus to the Dyson Airwrap on my curly hair. I'm going to be doing one side with the Revlon Plus, and then I'm going to be doing the other side with the Dyson Airwrap. And I'm going to use this round brush attachment even though I don't love it that much, but it does get the job done, so we're going to use this one. I'm actually going to prep my hair with this Good Behavior 4-in-1 prep spray from IGK. I love this product and I have been using it so much ever since I discovered it. It really does leave my hair so soft. It leaves my hair so shiny. It detangles my hair, and it also protects my hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's literally everything you need in a prepping spray, so definitely recommend. Check it out. So I'm just going to detangle my hair. I'm going to spread the product very well, and I'm going to divide my hair into two sections. I don't know if you guys can tell right away, but this side of my hair is less curly than this side, so it is a little bit easier to blow out than this side. So we're going to leave the harder side to the Dyson because it's a lot more expensive, and yeah, I feel like it'll only be fair to leave the easier side to Revlon. So the new Revlon Plus actually has a detachable brush, so that's a little bit different than the original, and this brush is a lot smaller than the original, and this one has a new heat setting. So instead of just low and high, it now has low, medium, and high. So it does have a more gentle heat setting if you want to use a lower heat setting, and the medium heat setting is still pretty good. I've used the medium heat setting to do all my hair, and honestly it does leave my hair looking pretty sleek, and it is a lot more gentle on my hair. But just because we're doing a comparison video and I'm actually comparing it to the Dyson, which actually has a very powerful heat setting, it's very like strong and it really does dry my hair super quickly, I'm going to use the Revlon in the highest heat setting just to make things fair. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the highest heat setting, and let me just start drying this section. Okay, so I'm all done with this section. That only took me like max 2 minutes. I love how this section turned out. The Revlon gets super hot, like wow. Which is kind of scary sometimes because I feel like it's almost burning my hair. The Revlon Plus is supposed to be a lot better than the original Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. It's supposed to give you more shine, and it's also supposed to last a lot longer than the original. The original would like break sometimes for people, and this one is supposed to last a lot longer, like have a longer life than the original one. So I don't know, I've only had this for like maybe 2 months now, and so far so good, but I do have to use it a little bit more just to really see if this is going to be less damaging than the original, because the original is a little tiny bit damaging if you use it a little bit too much. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing this side, and I'll be back with the final Revlon look. Hey guys, I'm back. I did the Revlon Plus side. This is what it looks like. Revlon just always surprises me so much. I mean, I'm just so impressed with this blow dryer. I mean, look at this blowout. Look at that shine. I do gotta give it to this product though. Like, this product always leaves my hair looking so shiny and so healthy. And I also did a mask in the shower. I did the Olaplex number 3 in the shower. And yeah, this is what the Revlon side looks like. It was very easy to blow out my hair with this blow dryer, and it only took me 15 minutes to do one side, which is so fast for me. Like, that is just crazy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really nice. It looks very smooth, and my hair just looks super healthy. Okay, so I'm going to do the first section for the Dyson side. I'm going to take very small sections for this side because the Dyson has a way smaller brush. So I have to take smaller sections if I still want a nice smooth look. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to put in the highest heat setting and the highest speed, and I'm going to do one section and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so here's the first section for the Dyson side. As you can see, I was able to kind of curl the ends a little bit, like give it a little twist, and it looks so nice. My hair is completely dry. It's very soft, and yeah, I feel like this is super gentle on my hair. I love using the Dyson Airwrap on my hair. On my curly hair, it works so well, but I really wish that Dyson had a bigger round brush attachment, and I wish they had a bigger round brush attachment with nylon and board bristles, because this one, I feel like it's a little bit rough. But if you take very small sections, I mean, it's going to take you so long to do all your hair, but you are going to have a nice sleek look, and it's going to look bouncy. And yeah, so let's do this side now, and I'll be back with the final look. So I'm going to start the timer right now. Okay guys, I am back and I'm done with the Dyson side. This is what it looks like. It actually looks pretty good. Like, I have so much bounce at the end. Like, I have layers, and I like that this small brush kind of gives me that bounce. You see that? Like, my hair is just like whoop. I just love it. I think it looks really nice. I do feel like this side looks a lot more smooth though. Like, I kind of like how much more sleek this side looks, and I have a lot of shine. It looks really good. I really like the Revlon side as well. Like I said, I don't love this brush to blow out my hair. I actually don't really use it to blow out my hair. I use the Dyson Airwrap to curl my hair more. You guys always ask me if my blowouts last at all, like maybe even just at least the whole day. So I'm gonna do a wear test. I'm gonna do a couple of hours, maybe like 2-3 hours, and then I'll be back and check in with you guys and let you guys know which side is looking better. By the way, it took me so much longer to do this side, the Dyson side, and I figured that would happen because the brush is smaller. This side of my hair is a lot curlier than this side, so I just kind of knew that it was going to take me so long to do this side. So it took me 34 minutes to do just one side with the Dyson. So if I wanted to do all my hair, it would literally take me at least an hour. So yeah, I use the Dyson Airwrap mainly to curl my hair, so I'm not gonna like show you guys how to use this attachment. I mean, unless I just do like one random curl, but I rather just do that at the end of the word test. But yeah, I'm gonna do a word test now. Right now it is 4:46, so I'll be back maybe in like an hour. Hey guys, I'm back. It's actually been about 3 hours, as you can see. 7:36, so almost 3 hours, and like 10 minutes is going to be 3 hours. I was going to do a check-in after an hour, but I didn't notice a huge difference, so I just decided to wait an extra couple of hours. So it's been 3 hours, and this is what my hair looks like. I think my hair looks okay. I mean, I didn't leave the house or anything. I was just home, and I did cook, so maybe the steam kind of made my hair a little bit more frizzy back here. I don't know if you guys can see, but on the Dyson side back here, my hair is a little bit frizzy, so it's starting to get a little bit frizzy. I just feel like I wasn't able to get a super smooth look with this attachment. And I mean, in the front it doesn't look bad though. In the front it looks better. I also feel like this part of my hair back here is so curly. Like, that's probably like the most curly part of my hair. Like, my hair back here gets so frizzy. It's probably like the first thing that gets frizzy. I don't know why. I mean, even when I leave it natural, back here it's just, I don't know. So I could probably just fix that with the straightener like super quickly. But just for a blowout, not bad at all. This is what the Revlon side looks like. I think it looks pretty good. It almost looks like how I left it 3 hours ago. So yeah, I think it looks really, really good. And this is the Dyson side. Very shiny, a lot of bounce. The only issue is this right here, you know, it starts to get a little bit frizzy. But what I like about the Dyson Airwrap is that even though I don't use it to blow out my hair, I do use it to style it and to create some curls. Actually, I'm gonna curl maybe this section back here that looks so bad. I'm gonna add a little bit of this wave spray. That's interesting. And I'm just gonna spray my hair a little bit. I'm gonna put in the highest heat setting, highest speed. Let's see. So let's see. So you see that curl? It's so nice and bouncy, and that spray is gonna make it last a lot longer. It's gonna add some hold. And yeah, I know I have like a random curl back there now, but I just really, really like the Dyson Airwrap for curling my hair. If they had a nicer round brush attachment, maybe a bigger one, I would definitely use it more to blow out my hair. But it just took me so long to blow out my hair. I mean, it'll take me like at least an hour to do all my hair. I feel like for that, I'd rather just use the Revlon, or of course the T3 micro airbrush duo. Now I'm gonna want to do all my hair. Once you start curling your hair with the Dyson, it's like addicting. Like, you just want to finish all your hair. I'm not going to finish my hair, but it's just such a good hair tool to style your hair. But anyways, the Revlon for like 70 bucks is such a good deal. I mean, look how smooth this side looks. I love the Dyson Airwrap. I really, really do. It's just, it's not my favorite to blow out my hair, and I wish it was, because it's a lot less damaging than other blow dryers. Anyways, I'll link down below all the hair tools and products that I mentioned in this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, help me get to 100K. That is my goal. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.